So after my last video about the Fed cutting rates, I've been getting several messages. And here's the big question everybody's asking. If rates are coming down, then why isn't the market exploding right now? And here's what's really happening and why this actually might be the best time for you to buy. When the Fed cut rates in September, everybody was expecting a flood of buyers. I mean, sellers were hoping for it. I know a lot of agents were hoping for it, but it just didn't happen. And if you're a seller right now, you're probably feeling that. What's really going on? Two big things. But to understand them, we've got to imagine that you're trying to buy a home right now. So go ahead, let's do it with me. All right, here we go. Rates are down from 7% to sitting just above 6% right now. Seems like that should be enough, right? But you know what hasn't come down is taxes and insurance. In fact, they went up the last couple of years. So you, if you're trying to buy a home, need a lower rate to offset that. But here's the bigger reason. You're on your phone comparing everything: price, location, condition, updates, and you want to move in ready. You want updated kitchens, you want the good neighborhoods. You're comparing every single home on the market in real time. If a home doesn't offer the best value, you're just going to scroll right past it. And you should be. You have options. You have time, and you're using both to find the absolute best deal. But here's what most people waiting for rate drops to buy are missing. In the Denver metro area, 64% of sellers gave an average of $11,000 in concession. That's the money that the seller gives to a buyer, which can be used to buy down your interest rate to potentially 5.5% or even lower. So yeah, the advertised rate might just be above 6%, but your actual rate after concessions is way better. Here's what could happen though. Once rates drop and all those buyers waiting on the sidelines jump back in, those concessions could just disappear. Sellers may not need to offer them anymore because the competition's back. And so you might get a slightly lower rate, but you could end up paying full price or even more. So today you have less competition, motivated sellers, and the crown jewel is rate buy downs that could get you below 5.5%. If you've been waiting for the right time to buy, this actually might be it. Let's connect you with the lender to run the numbers on what a rate buy down could look like for you with today's seller concession. And I'll show you some great homes while you still have the leverage.